What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a good one. Me see everybody a jump on the 8th train with CMR and Crissy situation. Me jump on it too, bro. What me really notice still, bro, is that the marriage not gonna separate. The marriage gonna continue. Same way, him and I'm wife that and her husband that. And in my eyes, it look as though Crissy, the evidence and everything what she hear from the court and CMR being off his case, being set free off his case, I feel as if that Crissy just go give in back to her husband. So my time we would say, yo, people business are people business, but at the same time, them are influence and them out there and people are always have things to talk about. But in all reality, none of them are perfect. But at the same time, a situation like that, where CMR get involved in and it's Crissy's daughter, it kind of look away. It looks very distasteful and it looks disturbing and disappointing for no one say, yo, just because the courthouse say, yo, your husband not guilty or he's freed or he's innocent, don't mean as if though you must give in back to him or, you know, run in back to him or because couple video with her, me see, and the video the man she say, yo, she go at the apartment, go decorate it. We all know that a CMR apartment she go decorate. We all know that, but you know, people do videos and them edit and them hide with them for hiding and them editing, cut out with them for cut out. And if you can read through the editing, you can see it and know say, yo, certain thing cut out of the editing what them don't want the media to see. But in our eyes as the public, we all know that say. We just see the back end of everything. We not see what go on behind the scenes. We just see the highlights, them pan the social media. So look on certain video and I say, yo, the videos them so off and hard. You have to remember say, no, the little girl that are Chris's daughter, big daughter, she feel how she feel in same way. It never go change, you know. No matter if CMR guilty or innocent, she feel how she feel and it never go change. She tell our guidance counselor bring the police, CMR case, court, and that's it. But whatever she feels and she feel as though how she feel, it still stands. But it look awful for no say, yo. It look awful for no say, yo, you know, them no boundaries now go dead. It's like them are gonna go back to work, you know, things together with themselves. But at the same time, me I look on it like this, I say, yo, the little girl, that's Crissy big daughter. No matter why now, and CMR, even if I'm free or innocent and rare, him for still stay away from the little girl, you know. Big man thing, you know, him for still stay away from the little girl. And I feel as if the court would still have that restraining order remain for her and him to be apart, like separated. A girls them there, even though him have daughter and stuff. But boy, look away, brother. It look terrible. And then again, them have to smile and show faces. Sooner or later, you go see them have vlogs with the two of them come out tonight together, you know. Remember them a husband and wife, and it takes a time before them blaming back with each other. We may not see it yet, or it may come out, but sooner or later it go down the road the way them have to, you know, go back together. But as I say, me not really in the 8th thing and the 8th train with everybody. But as a man, me look on it away if you say, yo, John, no, CMR, you tarnish your whole family character. And then everybody are going to look on your woman away now, your wife, you know, because everybody realize and see, say, yo, your wife manipulating her platform, as in to say she'll create videos and edit out what she want to edit, but deep down we all know the editing them were hide and cut out already because she don't want the media. Remember say our social media for them thing. Them are influencer, content creators. And we do understand, so we as content creators, once them put out things in our public, we are going to speak on it. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Nothing wrong with that, because we all create content. And we all work for YouTube. We are workers of YouTube, so nothing wrong. So people are going to have their own opinions, and people are going to have their own conversation surrounding you and your wife. So you have to understand that. But at the same time, you know, they're going to create stuff. They might create stuff, and it all seems as if it manipulate the viewers, because cut and paste, where they want cut and paste for sure way, it's obvious. Because I just see a clip a while ago, and boy, the clip, so the clippings I see a while ago, it look away, brother. Everything just, you can see the cut and paste, the editing, where some part of the clip is like she says she go decorate the apartment, but she never said CMR's apartment. Remember, say CMR now move back in her house yet, you know, but you know, them still at the boundaries still there, but them a married couple and them still a go conversate. And you know, remember, say even in the holiday last year, you see Crissy bring food go give him and Ray, but them a husband and wife same way, them not divorce. Until them divorce, them are really officially separate, but them not divorce. So them must still have themselves a deal with them one another. But boy, look away, brother. Look away. You look away, and I sit back and I watch them and say, yo, you see why sometimes when you put yourself out there in a life, on social media and showcase your life, certain things you may get caught up on, you know. You have to walk the straight and narrow road, because when certain things get caught up with you in a social media world, you'll get shagged, bro. You'll get caught up. And people are going to tear you down, and you have to be prepared for it. If you're thin skin, bro, you'll get teared down continuously. And you can see, bro, CMR and his wife, however them a play devil's advocate in them whole life, bro. We, the public out here in our world, we are see it, and people are going to always have things to say. And I'm not the one to come out and talk about people's life, because me have my own business to worry about and my own life. I don't like the habit of coming out to speaking on people's life. Me mind my own business, and people mind their own business. So me not really like the ear train, but at the same time, as I say, people only do this for content creation and only do it for viewers, building up subscribers. And one thing I would say, you see, when you're building your channel around controversy and drama and all of that, people are always going to want to see those stuff. So whenever you stop doing those or posting those stuff, people are gone, because they didn't subscribe for good things, them subscribe for drama. So me understand that with people and creating content, them create content for drama, talk about people. But and again, I public. When you're an influencer, a content creator, and you create content for the viewers, and your name come up in the media with negativity surrounding, we are going to run with it. As people are saying, the negativity get more highlight than the positive. So, as that, bro, that's me say, bro, CMR and them wife, them just have to go, them have to go rewind and come again. Fix up back with a fix up, because the little girl still got in a trauma, and years to come, she still got in it. It now got change. Still got come. The cycle continue to flow in our mental. You have to understand that. So a little girl, bro, a little girl, everything. We have to make it, we have to try to make it the environment safer for the child. Because, bro, once that child grow up, we can break that child for the worst with whatever is going on. Because I'm telling you, sometimes when some kids have been abused, you know, in their life, you know, whether mentally, physically, you know, sexually, you know, that tag along with them for life, you know, and it never change. And sometimes them change out for the bad and turn. While women in the streets, they can't even control them. Because certain things in their life, man, it curb them way, a different way. As them say, you know, 7 different minds. So sometimes some may come out bad, some may come out good. So you're not really say shall come out for bad, feel worse, but sometimes you have to be careful how you do certain things. And bro, you have to seek help, brother. They need therapy. Literally, the whole family need therapy, bro. The kids, the wife, the husband, they need therapy. And the child that is being abused, bro, she need therapy because this will take along for her for a long time. For a long time, brother. But that's all me have to say, bro. I don't really want to speak too much on the topic because I just see it go around and I just want to give my 2 cents about it. But it's crazy, brother. It's really crazy. You know, it go man, vibes and insight with Nanda. Mad, I'm out.